Hello everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. If you forget your iPad password, seeing the message iPad is unavailable on the screen can be very frustrating. Don't worry. In this video, I will help you unlock your iPad without a password, whether it has a home button or not. Now let's get started. Method 1. Using the Forgot Password option. This method is suitable for two types of devices, whether they have a home button or not. The prerequisite is that your iPad is running iPadOS 17 or later. If you forget your password and enter the wrong password multiple times on the iPad, a Forgot Passwords option will appear at the bottom of the screen. You can choose this option to start the iPad reset process, which will erase all data and the lock screen password, so you should back up your data in advance. Then the system will prompt you to enter your Apple ID password to sign out. Confirm the reset by tapping Erase iPad. Wait for the reset process to complete, and then your iPad will be reset, allowing you to set it up as a new device or restore data from an iCloud backup. Method 2. Using Apple device to restore. If you do not see the Forgot Password option due to your iPad's version or network issues, don't worry. This method can help you. First, you need to determine whether the iPad has a home button. For iPads without a home button, connect your iPad to a computer and enter recovery mode by pressing and releasing the volume up button, then pressing the volume down button, and finally holding the power button until the iPad enters recovery mode. For iPads with a home button, you still need to connect your iPad to a computer. But unlike iPads without a home button, you need to press and hold both the power and home buttons until your iPad enters recovery mode. Next, you need to open your Apple device, or you can open Finder or iTunes. You will then be prompted to choose a store or update. If you do not want to upgrade the system, it is recommended to choose a stores. However, please note that both options will erase iPad data and may be slow, with a risk of errors, so use this method with caution. Based on this, I strongly recommend using tenorshare 4U key. Method 3. Reset iPad using 4U key. If the previous methods do not suit you, you can use this method to unlock your iPad. I highly recommend tenorshare 4U key. It is easy to use and compatible with most iPhones and iPads, whether they have a home button or not. The download link for 4U key can be found in the video description. First, you need to put the iPad into recovery mode, as in the third method. For iPads without a home button, connect to a computer, then press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until it enters recovery mode. For iPads with a home button, connect to a computer and then press the power button and home button simultaneously until it enters recovery mode. Next, launch 4U key. Select Unlock iOS screen, and 4U key will automatically identify the firmware your iPad needs to download. Once the download is complete, click Start to remove. This process will take about 10 minutes. Please be patient, and once the removal process is complete, your iPad will return to normal. Method 4. Erase iPad using Find My. This option requires Find My iPad to be enabled and the device to be connected to the internet. Open the Find My application on your iPhone, select Devices at the bottom, and then choose the iPad you wish to reset from the list. Select Erase this device to initiate the data wiping process. Follow the prompts and enter your Apple ID and password to finalize the reset. Once the process is started, your iPad will begin resetting. Please wait for it to restart, and the reset will be completed. That's it. These are some methods to help you unlock your iPad. Please note that all methods will erase the data on the iPad. If you haven't backed up, you may lose data. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.